Hey guys, Morgan's Maintenance, episode 111 of Guess the Trades, where subscribers send in their loadouts. We take a look at the tools and see if we can guess in the comment section below what it is that they do with those. Episode 110 was a reload episode, so there's no guessing. So we're going to jump right into episode 111, where today we're going to look at Jacob's sales loadout of his Veto Pro Pack TP-XXL. We've been looking at a lot of those here recently, but he's also got a few other bags and some other tools that he said he basically goes and pulls these from his car whenever he needs them, but the bag is what he primarily uses and is able to get most of his work done with that. So that's what we're going to look at today. We're going to jump into his TPXXL, see if we've got questions, and then ultimately see if we can figure out what it is that we think he does. But let's go ahead and jump into Jacob's tools. So first picture, again, Veto Pro Pack TP-XXL. It's got the side pouches on the side. We can see some electrical tape right now and a magnetic pickup tool. Next picture is the bag with the flap opened up. So I'm seeing vessel USB, vessel tang through, liking all that. He's got, looks like probably the ratcheting 11-in-1. Basically, I'm seeing pretty much a lot of the tools that I use wrapped up in here. I'm seeing some Vera, some Knipex, also seeing some Klein. Lots of great tools that we're going to look at, I think. So we're going to go ahead and keep on going. Next picture up is the flap. Looks like possibly a bunch of Railer bit rails tucked up in there. Next picture, yep, it is. So here we go. That's what's inside of that slot. So we've got some hex keys, and then also a bit set, and then some Nico as far as some nut driver sets as well. So he's got about everything covered right there. Next picture over in this flap, looks like he's got a few wrenches, and then basically some open space. Let me see if I can see what sizes those are. Maybe we're going to see them in a minute. That might help you guys out. 15 millimeter is what I'm seeing right now. I don't know about the other ones, but sometimes whenever you see a certain size, like he's specifically carrying these certain sizes, maybe that helps you in your guessing. I actually know what it is that he does, and I think it's going to be interesting to see what the comment section is for this, but I don't know if that would help you or not. I don't honestly know, but there you go. Here we go, next picture. So we've got the grip magnetic pickup tool. I kind of like the handle on that. He's got the Klein in metric 7, 8, 10, 12, 13, 14, and then he's got 15, 10 on the wrenches. Then he's also got a little Railer wrench that has a 1/4 inch ratchet on one side and then a 5/16 on the other. I didn't even know they had that, so that's pretty interesting. Next picture is the other side. Looks like he's got the Klein automatic stripper, along with it looks like maybe a Milwaukee tape measure. It's true. So he's got the other set of the Klein flip socket as well, the SAE. He's got the one with the 9/16, not the 11/32. He's also got a Sharpie, a Precision Varsity by Pilot. And then again, it was a Milwaukee tape measure, and then the Klein 11061 as far as those automatic strippers. Let's see what's on this here, if we can tell. Looks like a slotted screwdriver, and then like a pin, like punch type look almost on like a point. I'm not sure what you do with that, but he's got that there. Next picture up in the front, looks like he's got a Vera T-handle. He's got left and right on it, so it must be a ratcheting version. And then he's got some other, maybe those are like scissors or something up in there. It is. So there's the ratcheting handle. There's a little Klein Tools ratchet. That is the older version with the 5/16 and the 1/4. A couple pairs of hemostats, or I forget what else you guys call those. Everybody's got a different name for those. And then he's got a pair of scissors. Those look pretty awesome. I don't know what brand those are. Let's see if I can read that. Raptor, but I can't read what the brand name is, but those look pretty slick as far as the scissors there. Next picture, top up there, we've got a lighter, also some other bits, and then also a knife, Milwaukee bit holder, several Phillips bits, looks like also a Torx as well. Let's see, it is a Leatherman knife. Let's see, Klein, Bosch, DeWalt. I don't know if that's Vessel. I think that's a Vessel torsion ball on that Phillips there. And then he's got an adapter for 1/2 inch, 3/8, and 1/4 inch on for his impact for some sockets, and then also a paper clip. And then he's got a little small Torx screwdriver as well. So now we're getting into pliers, and looks like screwdrivers and all the main tools in his bag. So he's got those out on a workbench. I think he zooms into quadrants, but here's an overview of everything that you just saw in that bag. That's right here. So first quadrant, looks like we've got a iFixit precision driver set. Many of you have recommended that to me. And then he's got the Vessel the two, let's see, that's not the 280. The 280 is the one with the spring. So 230, a good handle if you want to make whatever you want to make out of it. He's actually running the bit that comes with it. Vessel USB, Klein ratcheting 11-1. Then he's got the Klein either 16-1 or 17-1. I think I remember seeing 17-1 a little while back. He's got the Milwaukee bit holder in there. Big pair of cable cutters. Looks like probably like an X-Acto knife over there on the next one. A couple pairs of locking pliers. We'll move on to the next one. Knipex on the needle nose. And then he's also got a 5/16 socket with Allen key or hex head in it. And then he's also got a pair of 180 Cobras. Those are the new ES version. A pair of 180 on the pliers wrench. He's got the diagonals from Knipex and the comfort grip. A little small ratcheting stubby from Klein. That's the new Connect ratcheting stubby. Small pair of the twin grip, small flush cuts from Klein. He's got the Knipex 51-01210, I think it is, on the hammer / nail puller. By far my favorite nail puller that I've ever used. Works great for pulling out nails. You can use it as a small hammer in your bag, kind of as an option. It's not really a hammer, but you can kind of use it as a, like on the back side of your hang through screwdrivers or something. Works great for that. But nail puller wise, it's one of my favorite nail pullers of all time. So he's got that there. Next picture, we've got the Klein, like a pipe wrench / pliers wrench combination of one where you can kind of change it around. Mixed reviews on that from people. I've heard both ways. I've never owned a pair. He's also got a couple pairs of Klein strippers. Let's see what the wiring goes to on those. Looks like up to, is it 32 gauge on the top one up there? Really small. It goes from like 18 to 32. And on the black handle pair, and then it's 12 to, I want to say maybe 20 on the blue handle pair. Cobalt scissors, and then he's got a flashlight of some sort up there at the top. Next picture is the back side of the bag. Inside of there looks like we got the Fluke 107 and some leads. He's also got an Anchor little power bank, a little, let's see, some soldering wire. Looks like a little soldering pin as well. So maybe he uses the power bank. Maybe that's how that little soldering pin works with that power bank. So he's got that there. And then this is another bag that he grabs. Sometimes he set out of his car. We'll see what all's in that. Looks like we've got some socket rails. There's some other socket rails as well. Inside of here, we've got the Klein, is that the starter kit connect set? I think it is, maybe. Could be a different one, but I think that's the starter kit. So there's the rails out. He's also got the flip socket with the 16 and the 18. And then everything that he's got over there, let's see if we can see what kind they are. Gear wrench. Those are the metric in the yellow, SAE on the black. Next picture, we've got the Klein set. So it is the, I don't think that's the starter because I think that's the 3/8, but I could be wrong. I can't remember what the part number is on that set right there, but he's got the ratchet wrenches as well in metric and SAE, and he's also got the hex set, or actually that's the torque set in the little Klein mod box as well, as far as for some adapters or for to use with a ratchet. Next picture, he's got DeWalt 20 volt on his impact. Another bit set right there that looks like maybe that's a Cobalt box. And then he's got a Klein set there that looks like he's got drill bits, flip sockets, 2-inch bits, nut drivers, all those things. And then a Weehaw T-handle with a hex of, let's see if we can see what the size is, 3/8 by 150 on that hex right there. And there's his name. So again, here are some of the things that he keeps in his car. He said that he gets out whenever he needs them. Doesn't necessarily need them on all his jobs. That's everything that's fitting inside of this green bag that he's got, kind of like a Molly type bag. And then other than that, we've got everything that's in his TP-XXL. There's his meter and solder. Hangs that out in the back. Here is the start of all the main hand tools in his bag, but we'll get to the picture right there that has them all laid out in case you want to go back and check those out. Here they are kind of loaded in there. Here's the stuff in the top of his bag, Leatherman knife, some of his bits. There's some of the stuff that's in the little front pocket, T-handle, scissors, all those things. Here's some of the stuff that's in one of the side meter pouches. Here's some stuff that's in the other side meter pouch. And then here's the stuff that's in the little flap that's up there in the front. There's the whole bag loaded out right there, and then there's that first picture with it all closed up. But another great loadout of a Veto Pro Pack TP-XXL. Seems like all the last few loadouts have been either TP-XL, TP-XXL, somewhere along those lines. So maybe you've been in the market for one of those during the spring promotion. You're like, oh, what bag do I want to buy to get my free bag? And you've been deciding, do I want to get a TP-XXL? You've seen plenty of loadouts of those here lately to figure out if maybe that's the right bag for you. Tons of great stuff inside of there. I really like his other bag too. Some of the tools, a lot of the tools he has are some of the same ones that I have, and I don't do anything remotely close to the same thing that he does, because again, I know the answer to that question as far as what is it that he does with these tools. So that's a hint. Nothing like me. It is something that's very interesting. I'm kind of curious to see how the comment section goes as well. So it is something kind of a little bit more specific than it is just something general. But let me know in the comments below if you guys have any questions about anything in his loadout. Hopefully he'll help us answer those as well. But don't forget to guess what it is you think he does with all these tools. As always, I hope this video was interesting. You guys stay safe, have a blessed day, and I'll see you on the next video.